What's good, and welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Oh my god, my door is moving on its own. I was just on my phone, I was on Instagram. You ever have those times where you're scrolling IG or you're scrolling social media and you're just like, this is an absolute waste of life. But you know what's not a waste of life? Crypto! So we're gonna go over Cardano. We're currently sitting at $1.34. We're currently up about 10% on the day. I did post a chart pattern. All my doors are opening on their own in the Discord, and there's a juicy breakout, and I absolutely crushed it with the trade. I'll throw it up on the screen. I think I'm like 40% in profits right now. So we're sitting at a market cap of 42 billion, and the 24-hour volume is 2.33 billion. Just a little bit of juicy news here. So as many of you know, Amazon is ready to accept Bitcoin, but not only Bitcoin, Ethereum, Cardano, and Bitcoin Cash. We can see here, if we scroll down, Amazon won't stop with Bitcoin. After integrating the largest cryptocurrency, it will then add Ethereum, Cardano, and Bitcoin, says the insider. What? Amazon won't stop with Bitcoin after integrating the largest currency, and then we'll add Ethereum, Cardano, and Bitcoin. Wow, these articles, they really need to check them before they put them out. It won't take long because the plans are already there and they have been working on them since 2019. Wow. The third largest public company in the US is also gearing up to launch its own cryptocurrency token, Amazon token. Oh, you better believe I'm going to be investing in that one. I bet you guys are too. Let me know if you're going to invest in Amazon token when it comes out in the comment section. So let's jump into the TA. So we are here on the 1 hour chart. I posted this pattern of this inverse head and shoulders because we started to break out, and I did enter a long position on Bybit, and I'm absolutely crushing it with that position right now. So as you can see here, I've already drawn it out. Good one, Jax. What the hell are you doing, bro? Absolutely embarrassing and completely humiliating. Just one moment, guys. Just close the door. The wind is causing it to swing open, so oh, you guys don't really care. All right, back to the video. So we had a juicy trade, guys. Absolutely juicy trade. I believe I took 5x leverage, so we're up about 16% on that trade. Now we are having a bull pennant as Cardano moves very closely with Bitcoin. So if you do see us start to break above here, you know what to do. Get some confirmation. I'll give you your breakout target. Absolutely massive trade opportunity here for Cardano. Would bring you up here to approximately $1.51, which would be an absolutely juicy trade of another 12%. And if you want to trade with leverage, check out my full length tutorial on Bybit. Sign up for $600 in bonuses. All right, guys, incredible opportunity. You get $50 for making your first deposit within the first 48 hours. All right, guys, so there's a massive trade opportunity if you do see it start to break above. Now, I have taken my Fibonacci here from the swing high down to our swing low. You can see we're back above the golden ratio, and you know what that tells us, that it gives us a high probability of coming back to where we came from, which is right around that $1.51. And of course, the 1.272 extension, which is up at $1.65. So incredible bullish signals, guys. Beautiful to see a little bit of consolidation to allow the EMAs to catch back up. I will quickly drop in some levels of support if we do fall out of this pattern. You can see some resistance here, support and resistance in this area at $1.23. And I'll also drop in this area where we had some support as well. Previous swing low at $1.18. So keep an eye on that pattern. We'll quickly pop over into the 1 day chart. I'm just going to take away the RSI. So I've drawn out this descending broadening channel, and you can see we've had a clear breakout, and we're currently trying to get back above the 55 EMA. We're just flirting it with it right now. So guys, you know what happens if you get back above the 55 EMA on the daily. You have the bullish cross, beautiful signal that will head up to that technical target, which is at the top of our falling broadening channel here, which is at about $1.85. Now there's another pattern, same with Ethereum, an absolutely juicy massive double bottom here. So if you see it start to come up and break this neckline, which I'm going to drop in for you guys right here at about $1.46, that's a massive trade opportunity if you break the neckline. Just an absolutely gorgeous trade opportunity that would bring you right up to that top of that channel at $1.85. It's about $1.93 actually. So keep an eye on that larger pattern as well. Could be an awesome, beautiful trade opportunity. However, guys, if we do roll over, if we see Bitcoin fall out of this pattern, it is looking bullish. It looks like we're seeing a tiny bit of breakout. I might have to start entering some trades if we backtest it as support here. We are a bit trending into overbought in the RSI, but on the 1 hour I don't pay attention to it too much. but on the 4 hour we're quite overbought here. So it would be nice to see a little consolidation, but that doesn't mean that we won't start to break out. However, guys, if we do break down, your levels of support are $1.23 and $1.18. So beautiful. We're also breaking a major line of resistance. I believe I dropped it in here, yeah, from the descending channel. I already told you about that. Good one, Jax. So that's it for this one, guys. Let's give some future price targets. Let's put it here on the daily. If this is our true bottom, how low did we come here? I guess this was our bottom. We didn't break it. So I'm going to quickly take this fib out here. Take this price target out. So if we take our fib from our swing high down to our bottom, which was right here, can give some future price targets based off the Fibonacci. So the 1.272 is at $3.13, and the 1.618 is up here at $4.27 for ADA, if this is our true bottom. Beautiful to see these reversals, guys. Beautiful to see us getting back above the EMAs, and for us to be testing the 55 EMA on the daily is a beautiful signal as well. If we start to pump above it, you know what happens. We have that bullish cross. We continue on the bull run. We break. Especially if we take out this high at about $1.46, would also be strong confirmation. Break out of that double bottom and just, you know, go to the moon. And then I've dropped in those levels of support. So I'm going to stop repeating myself, and I'm going to end the video. Please sign up to Bybit. You receive $50 just for signing up and depositing within the first 48 hours, and up to $600 in bonuses. And it's my favorite trading platform. So sign up through my referral. I get a little bonus as well. And you can sign up to crypto.com. You can check out the Discord. Check out the Discord, over 1,000 members. I'm posting chart patterns. I posted our breakout from our inverse head and shoulders, which was a beautiful trade on the hourly chart for ADA as well. So that's it for this one, guys. See you in the next video. Peace. Much love.